This situation was captured by highway cameras, where two young men on a scooter entered the highway tunnel. At first, the situation seemed nothing out of the ordinary, just a moment where the motorist had trouble and pulled over to the emergency lane. But then, the situation took a completely different turn when they started to dance on the road, followed by something unexpected and highly irresponsible. Since this footage was recorded by a highway camera in a tunnel, it clearly shows indicators warning of pedestrians on the road. Fortunately, this provided drivers with a warning that there was a hazard in the tunnel and that they should drive carefully. It's lucky, because otherwise, this situation could have been much more dangerous. Shortly after the incident, the police received a report that two people were walking along the roadway holding a bottle. They quickly identified the individuals involved. They tracked down the 24-year-old moped rider from a nearby town who was heavily intoxicated. A breathalyzer test revealed a blood alcohol concentration of 1.54 milligrams per liter of exhaled air. Due to multiple violations, the police issued a hefty fine and removed the vehicle from the highway.